Hi guys, I've got a Hainanese chicken rice hack for y'all. We're gonna start with making the Hainan rice, and I've got a really simple recipe for it. Let's start by rinsing the rice under cold water 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. Then pour the grains of rice into a sieve to ensure that the rice is thoroughly drained. Dump out any water at the bottom of the bowl and then just set the rice aside. Next, in a pan over medium heat, melt some butter. If you don't want to use butter, then you can just replace it with chicken fat or vegetable oil. It'll be your choice to use whatever it is that you want. Now toss in the garlic and ginger and saute for about a minute or so until fragrant. Now dump the uncooked rice into the pan and stir often for about 5 minutes. Then transfer the rice over to a rice cooker. Add the chicken broth, chicken seasoning, low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, and salt. Give it a stir, and at this point, all you gotta do is close the lid on your rice cooker, press the start button, and let it do its thing. While we're waiting for the rice to cook, let's make some scallion oil. Add grated ginger to a bowl, some chopped green onions, a drizzle of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Now cook it in the microwave for 30 seconds and it's done. Once the rice is done, just use a spatula to fluff the rice. Hainan rice should not be mushy or wet. I find that a good ratio of water to rice, or in this case, chicken broth to rice, is a 1-to-1 ratio, but you can adjust it slightly based on your desired consistency. When you're ready to eat, just place some of the Hainan rice onto a plate and top it with some of the green onions and ginger from the scallion oil, but leave behind the oil because you don't want to make the rice all oily. And that's it, guys. You can now enjoy your Hainanese rice. But like I said in the beginning of my video, this is my Hainanese chicken rice hack. So instead of boiling a whole chicken, I'm going to use half an eaten rotisserie chicken. This is what I like to do sometimes whenever I have any leftover rotisserie chicken that I get from Costco. So let me show you how I cook the chicken. In a pan over medium heat, add a little bit of cooking oil. Toss in some garlic and ginger. Saute them for about a minute. Dump in the shredded chicken and give it a toss. Then sprinkle some garlic salt. Sprinkle in some black pepper. And lastly, drizzle some maggi onto the chicken. Immediately remove the chicken from the pan as soon as it is all heated through. Remember that the rotisserie chicken is already cooked, so you don't want to cook it for too long, otherwise it will dry out the chicken. So there you have it, my Hainanese chicken rice hack. It's just an idea of what you can do next time with your leftover Costco rotisserie chicken. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!